8.3, addition and subtraction with rational expressions. This is example number 2. And so for this example, we have again, we are adding, in this case, adding 2 rational expressions. In order to add or subtract, you need to have the same denominator. And in this case, the denominators look very similar, but they're actually not the same. If we look at this carefully, notice that the 2x in the first fraction and the 2x in the second fraction have opposite signs. And then if we look at the -3 and the 3, those have opposite signs. So if all the terms have opposite signs, what we could do is factor out a -1 from one of these denominators so that they're both the same. Let me show you. So what we do is we factor out -1, okay, from one of the denominators. Okay, so it doesn't matter which denominator we factor out the -1 from. I'm going to factor it out from the second fraction. We leave the first fraction the way it is, recopy. The second fraction, we factor out a -1. So here's my -1, parentheses. When you factor out a -1, the signs will change, and so we have a -3 plus 2x. How do you know this is correct? If you distribute the -1 back into the parentheses, we have to get back to what we started with, which we do, so I know it's correct. Now, what do we do with this -1? Well, I can simplify the positive sign here with a -1, and it just makes that a minus. Okay, so we just have minus 2, and then look at this carefully. -3 plus 2x is the same thing as 2x minus 3. My denominators are exactly the same, so we can just subtract the numerator. 5 minus 2 is 3 over 2x minus 3. And so this is my final answer. We cannot reduce here. You cannot cancel the 3's, which is what a lot of people do. This is where we stop. This is your final answer.